Can we do it?
On January 19th, 2026, Garuda Aerospace took a significant step towards India's vision of becoming a global leader in aerospace technology with the inauguration of the AICTE Industry Fellowship Programme. This initiative aims to strengthen the collaboration between academia and industry, empowering faculty members with real-world experiences and knowledge in the field of aerospace and drone technology. The program will immerse 48 selected fellows in Garuda Aerospace's engineering, R&D, and operations teams, allowing them to contribute directly to the development of India's indigenous drone platforms and next-gen defense systems. With the focus on Make in India products, this fellowship bridges the gap between classroom learning and industry needs, helping faculty members gain practical insights into design, manufacturing, and technological innovation. The fellowship provides faculty with the tools to guide students in developing market-ready, innovative solutions that will drive India's aerospace future. With 168 candidates applying from across the country, the selected fellows will undergo a year-long immersive experience, empowering them with the skills and insights necessary to guide India's transition to a self-reliant, tech-driven nation. Garuda Aerospace is not just building drones, we're building the future of aerospace education and innovation in India. Together, we are driving indigenization and a brighter, self-reliant future. Stay tuned as we continue to foster India's technological prowess. Garuda Aerospace, pioneering the future of aerospace.